Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert a SIM card on brand new iPhone 16e. Friends, you have bought this new iPhone and you don't know how many SIM you can insert in it. Where to put the SIM card? Or does it have a micro SD card slot? This type of various question may be arise in your mind. So don't worry, I will guide you completely in this video. First of all, you need a SIM ejector pin which is given inside your mobile box. Now take out the SIM ejector pin from the box. After that, you will see a hole the left side of the mobile below the volume button. Now insert this pin into the hole and press it gently. Then the SIM slot will come out lightly. If not, press this pin a little harder. When the SIM slot come out a little, pull out the entire slot by hand. Friends, this is a single SIM slot. You can install only one nano SIM card, but you can use two SIM cards on your phone. One is the physical SIM and other is the eSIM. That means you can use two SIM simultaneously in your phone. Friends, after that, place your SIM card in the slot with the metallic side facing up. Make sure your SIM card is properly placed in the slot. Then keep the metallic side of the SIM upward and slowly insert into the mobile phone. After installing the SIM card, it will take some time to catch the network signal. Guys, after some time, network signal has arrived. If you want to add eSIM card, then open the phone settings. After opening the phone settings, go to mobile service. Here you will see add eSIM option. From here, you can add one or more eSIM to your phone. I have created a dedicated video for how you can add eSIM card to this iPhone model. I will give the link in the video description. So friends, in this way, you can install physical SIM card on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.